everyone, welcome to Odo Hcare. In today's video, we will be showing you how you can create user accounts in our system. An admin user will have the access to create new users for their organization in our system. User creation in our Hcare system is very simple and easy. First of all, we have to go to the user access menu. From here, you can see all the existing users. And also you can create a new user just by selecting new user section from here and click on create user. Then on this pop-up window you can specify the name of the user. And in here you have to specify the username and password. For this section, you can provide the access right for this specific user. For example, if it's a doctor, you can select doctor, or if it's an admin, you can also specify admin. And accordingly, you can also specify the allowed columns or rooms from the scheduler from these two options. After that, click on the confirm button. Then refresh this user's page and you will see that the new account has been created with the login credentials. Now this user can use this login credential and password to log into the system next time. So now we can use the specified credentials to log in, which is Abdul and the password, and click on login button. Since I have specified this user as a reception user, it will have limited access to the system. And these accesses can be configured based on the clinic's requirement. As you can see, the reception users are restricted to these few modules of the system. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much, and I will be seeing you in the next one.